Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenaji, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make these delicious looking barbecue style chicken pieces in the oven using store-bought barbecue sauce. We're also going to be using barbecue seasoning from JGM products and some of the other dried seasonings in this recipe as well. Now, if you don't want to use the store-bought barbecue sauce and you have your own barbecue sauce recipe, you can feel free to use that if you like. But these days, there's just such a variety of barbecue sauce readily available at the supermarkets. It's just easy to just grab a bottle whenever you're ready to use it. So let's just jump into it.
So the first thing you want to do is properly clean and wash out your chicken pieces. Now I usually use flour to wash my chicken, but if you have lime or lemon juice as well, feel free to use that. Once you wash it, you want to just set it aside and let it just air dry out just for a couple of minutes or so, and you want to leave the skin on. Most importantly, the skin is what helps to keep the moisture locked into these chicken pieces. So while our chicken is drying out, we are going to be combining all the dry seasonings. We're adding the garlic with the cayenne, the paprika, and we're going to add in the barbecue seasoning as well. And to this, we're going to just add a little bit of the olive oil. Now this is just going to create a nice paste, a nice rub that we're going to be using to coat the chicken pieces with. So it's going to be like a little thick paste, and all you're going to be doing basically is just using your hands, using your fingers, and just making sure that you just rub this paste into the chicken pieces. Now to this, I'm also adding a little bit of the barbecue sauce in addition to the other seasoning and the dry barbecue seasoning as well. And we're just going to make sure that you rub it all in properly into each piece of the chicken using your fingers. Get it all in there. Which is going to be the marinade now. We're just going to leave it for a couple of hours overnight if you can. One thing to add, I did not add any extra salt because the barbecue dry seasoning already contains salt in it. The chicken has been marinated for a couple of hours now, and now next step will just basically be to lay out each piece onto a foiled baking tray. Now you want to make sure before you bake that the chicken is at room temperature, because it's going to make the meat pretty tough if you take it straight from the fridge. Next, you're just going to add some sprigs of thyme onto each piece of your chicken, and you want to cover it with some foil, tightly cover it, and you're going to pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Baking it while covered with the foil helps to steam it and make sure the chicken is properly cooked through. So once it's out of the oven after 25 minutes, you're going to remove the foil pieces and you're going to coat each side of the chicken with your barbecue sauce. Now you're going to bake this for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and what you're going to do after is flip it over, paste it again with the barbecue sauce, and you're going to pop it back into the oven for another 10 minutes or so, 8 to 10 minutes roughly. And once you've done that, you're going to repeat this step. But the first step, this is what it looks like so far. So you're going to repeat it again, paste it on each side, make sure you generously coat it with the barbecue sauce. And now this step, what you can do, place it under the broiler, and you're going to get that nice charred barbecue glazed sort of look on your pieces of chicken. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't this have your mouth just watering? So just to repeat these steps quickly, you're going to pop it in the oven 25 minutes, 400 degrees to steam. Then you're going to paste each side with barbecue sauce, pop it in at 400 degrees, 10 minutes on either side to let it cook. Take it up after the oven, paste each side again, and pop it back into the oven on broil and let it get that nice charred sort of color and glazed look. And this is what you have, people. The final product, our barbecue chicken done in the oven. Just in case you're wondering what I'm having it with, some fries, of course, some fresh salad, and some potato salad. This has my mouth watering right now, guys, so I need to eat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you did like this video. Please be sure to try it out. I guarantee you will love it. I will do another video without the steaming process part, and also with my very own homemade barbecue sauce. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to share the video with your friends and your family. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. So in case you're wondering what you can have my oven style barbecue chicken with, I've got a couple of ideas for you, and you can find all of these videos and the recipes on my website and on my YouTube channel. So you can try this with my vegetable rice and potato salad. I've got both the link down below. got the pasta salad with shredded chicken, great addition with the barbecue style chicken as well. And of course the famous roasted potatoes. If you are like my husband and love potatoes, you have to try these. So I'll link all of these down below. You can also check out my website for the full recipes and the ingredients. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow my website blog. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Some fries, of course, some fresh salad, and some potato salad. This has my mouth watering right now, guys.